today's video, I wanted to show how you can find the video you used in Final Cut Pro X when you accidentally delete it from your computer. So right now I have the video clip in Final Cut and I'm waiting for it to officially render it into Final Cut. So sometimes after the video is complete, you'll accidentally delete the original footage. So I'm just gonna hit Command and C to copy the name, and now I'm gonna throw it away and delete it. So now the file is deleted. It still plays on the computer. Search the name. It's not here. It's on this Mac, it's not here, but still works on Final Cut. You can go up to the original clip, right click, and hit Reveal in Finder, and then it will bring you to the original media tab, so you'll still have the file saved in Final Cut. You can then drag it back to your desktop. Once you drag it out of the original media, you can now see it disappears. So then if you were to move it to, say, a different computer, you would then just hit Relink Files, Original Media. There we go, you now have it back to normal. Now ideally, you don't want to remove it from the original media file, but if you really need to get the original file, that's the way to do it. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, subscribing for more content, and thank you so much for watching.